45 grams of water. C, water is 4.184 joules per gram degree Celsius, is heated from 15 degrees Celsius to 95 degrees Celsius. How much heat does this require? So whenever you are finding the heat of a substance that is just being warmed up and no phase changes are involved, the equation to do that is Q is mass times C times the change in temperature, delta T. So when you're looking at this equation, Q is heat, which is what we are trying to find in this problem. M is mass. C is specific heat, which is just a constant that depends on the substance that is being heated. And delta T is the change in temperature. Okay, so reading through this problem, it says 45 grams of water. So I'm given the mass of water. C of water is 4.184, so I'm given the specific heat. And it's heated from 15 to 95. So while the change in temperature is not given to me directly, I can find it pretty easily using those two numbers. So if I'm calculating Q, mass is 45 grams. C is 4.184 for water. And the change in temperature I can find from these two numbers. So if it goes from 15 to 95, the change in temperature is just going to be the difference between those two numbers, 95 minus 15, which gives you 80 degrees. In other words, the water increased its temperature by 80 degrees. Okay, so at this point, I just have to multiply these three numbers together. 45 times 4.184 times 80, and you get 15,062.4 joules. All right, that's how you solve this problem.